Set on the stunning New South Wales Central Coast, Ocean Beach Holiday Park offers you the perfect place to relax, unwind and enjoy a great family holiday. Known for our fabulous family atmosphere, Ocean Beach provides an array of accommodation options to suit every family and budget. Enjoy the comforts of our sea breeze spa villas right on the beach, or peaceful gumnut villas set among natural bushland. Campers will love the comfortable sights, clean modern amenities and social barbecue areas by day and brilliant starry skies by night. A myriad of activities are available. Refresh yourself with an early morning surf, play beach games with the family or relax with a swim in the resort pool. Kids will have a ball with the giant jumping pillows, water slides and spa, playgrounds and tennis courts. The fun doesn't end there, with tractor rides, sack races, games and movie rooms for indoor entertainment. Local attractions include the Australian Reptile Park, where you can get up close and personal with native wildlife. Nearby, at the entrance, the kids will love feeding the pelicans. A trip to Glenworth Valley will provide adventure activities for the whole family, from scenic horse riding to guided kayaking tours. The fun never ends at Ocean Beach Holiday Park, where your perfect family holiday destination awaits.